Okay, how to create a web page. I'm going to use two things here, Notepad to create the web page and Internet Explorer to view it. So first thing I want to do is create the web page. Alright. Okay, here's my new web page. So I want to save that anywhere you like. My new web page dot. Now here's the secret. This is really what makes it a web page. Instead of txt, you save it as html. Click save. Alright, so now I want to open that using Internet Explorer. So I go to the File menu, Open, click Browse because I'm not sure where it is. It was called New Web Page. Oh, there it is, my new web page. Okay, I'm going to open that one. And then I'm going to click OK. Alright, so here's my new web page. Alright. So now I have a web page. I need two windows. I have a web page using Internet Explorer. Oh, that's too high. I can't really see it on the screen. There's Internet Explorer. Whoops. And Notepad. Alright. So let's see if we can get both of these going on the screen at the same time. Alright, so there's Notepad. Here's Windows Explorer. Alright, I'm going to make this one a little bit smaller. So I don't really need a lot. Alright, so when I want to create the web page, I open Microsoft Notepad. I type in what I want to say. Then I go to File, Save As, my new web page 2, because this one's going to be updated. Alright, so I want to save the updates. So this website was created on 01/10/2011. So again, I want to go File. Now this time I want to save because I'm not going to change the name. Save, and then over here, ooh, I need a little bit bigger because up here in the bar, I'm going to change it from my web page to my new web page 2. Then I'll hit enter. Alright, there's my new web page. Okay. Maybe this arrangement will work better. Alright, so I would like this to be on the second line. See how in Internet Explorer it's all on the same line. So I want to create a new line. Well, this is where we get into those, what do we call them, HTML tags. Well, one of the ones you want to know is the BR tag. So there's my BR tag. Again, I have to save it. Click on Internet Explorer, and under the View menu, I go to Refresh. Where is Refresh? refresh. Alright, so now it's on a different line. So BR is required to create a different line. So let's supposing here I want to start a new paragraph. So I would put 2 of those. So this is the new paragraph. I'm going to save. I'm going to go over here, view, refresh. Alright, so now I want to highlight. Alright, supposing I want to make this a little bit bigger. So I'm going to make that into a heading. Well, here's another tag, H1. That means this is a heading 1. Now, most of your HTML tags have an open tag and a close tag. So I always like to keep the open and close tags on their own line. That way I see, okay, everything from here to here is going to be in heading 1. So I'm going to save that, go over here, view menu, refresh. Okay, so here we have, here's my new website. So I've got my H1 tags in the wrong spot, so I'm going to highlight what I want. I'm going to cut that out of there, and I'm going to paste it in here. Same thing, the end tag. I'm going to cut that out of there, and I'm going to paste it in here. Then I'm going to save the file. I'm going to go to Internet Explorer, and I'm going to go to the View menu and refresh. So here's my new web page. This website was created on 01/10/2011. So simple things like that is going to take you a long way. Let's italics. So suppose we want this in italics. Save, view, refresh. So it's in italics. Now you notice everything is in italics. So we need a close tag. So I'm going to cut that out of there. And I'm going to paste it in here. And then I'm going to close it because I only want this part to be in italics. Now, in this case, it doesn't matter whether you type a capital I or a lowercase I. So I'm going to save it. I'm going to go over to the View menu and refresh. Okay, so here, this is italicized and this is not. So that's it. There you go. How to create a web page. And then I'm going to exit. I'm going to exit, and that's the end.